Hey, what's up, fools? In this video, I have the best conversation with Tyrone Webb Jr. on the practice of spiritual scripting. Scripting has literally changed my life, and I'm so excited to teach you guys about it. We dive into 10 deep questions on how scripting works and how it's dramatically impacted our lives. If you'd like to listen to the entire episode while driving, be sure to head over to the Design Tribe podcast on iTunes. You can listen to the whole episode there. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave a happy comment. All right, let's dive into the content. Hey everyone, welcome to the podcast. This is Lauren with Lauren Leslie Studio, and today we have special guest Tyrone Webb Jr. and I'm super excited to introduce you guys to him. Tyrone and I met about 2.5 years ago, and he introduced me to this practice called spiritual scripting, and it basically completely changed my life. And it's really encouraging for solopreneurs and entrepreneurs to have this type of spiritual journaling practice. So Tyrone, if you'll go ahead and introduce yourself and just tell everyone a little bit about your background and how you got into scripting.
Sure. Thank you for having me, Lauren. And my name is Tyrone Webb Jr. And I've been doing spiritual scripting for about 4.5 years now. And I got into this because I was searching for something more, something deeper. And I always knew that I had power in me, but I was always afraid to tap into that power.
Mm-hmm.
And one day I went to this church called the Spiritual Living Center of Atlanta, and I saw Joyce Reynolds speak. And she offered us to go to a class on Tuesday where you can learn about spiritual scripting, which is all around the law of attraction. And so I'll stop there, and I'll give the audience a little bit of my background. I moved here 6 years ago from New Jersey, and I had no friends. I had a little bit of family, but not family that I was close to. And from my time of not scripting and to scripting 4.5 years ago, my life has changed tremendously to buying a home, having the car I want, the career I want, traveling, the financial wealth, the friends, the family, um, even giving and being grateful. Even that whole aspect has changed my diet, what I eat, how I see the world, how I view the world. And I can say, fast forward to 2018, my life has completely transformed with the mixture of spiritual scripting and taking ownership of my life. And I just have to say, it's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, it's so awesome to hear you say that. And I can say similarly for me, like it's really impacted my life and also like my career, I would say, for sure. And just for those of you who like may not be as familiar with what scripting is, Tyrone, will you tell us what is scripting?
Sure. So scripting is this unique, cool way of, I don't want to say journaling, but it's really owning your life. And you write out your life the way you want it, the way you see it, all your desires and everything that you want to manifest. So a great example would be if you want to buy a home in Inman Park, and you'll phrase something as divine right action, or you can say divine right order, divine God, whatever you call your God, divine right order is taking place in my life right now for me to buy the right and perfect home in Inman Park. And then from there, you have to embellish for what you want. So that's going to be the color, the price, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, if you want a lawn, if you want a swing, if you want a porch, whatever you want, if you want satellite TV. I even script down to my neighbors. And I even take it so far to when I'm going on a plane, I have the opportunity to travel for work and for pleasure, that a week or two, or sometimes 2 days before I get on the plane, I'm scripting for what I want my plane neighbor to be like. And I'm scripting out that entire detail of the conversation. I'm scripting that the flight will leave on or before time, that I land on or before time, that the weather's perfect. And it completely changes your entire outlook on life.
Mm-hmm.
And it allows you to just have control and not have that worry or that anger or that fear, which is what this world really instills into us.
So are you writing in the future tense, or how are you, writing
No,
about your
I'm
plane ride?
I'm doing everything now, and you don't do anything in future tense, because if you do future tense, it's always going to be I'll eventually get there. So it's like one day I want to buy a house, and it's like, okay, well, that one day could be in 2025. Don't set your intentions out to stop the universe, to delay the universe from giving you for what you want now. So everything is now. So I'm buying that house in Emmett Park now. I'm having the right and perfect flight now. Everything is in the now because time is time isn't an illusion. It is an illusion, and we get caught up on, oh, I want to have kids by 29. I want to be married by 28, and I want to have my first house by 32, and I want to do this by 35, and it's everything's now. Do it, you, and people always say you can't have it all. I disagree. I believe you can have it all. It just might not be at the same time because you're going to outgrow things. You're going to outgrow your career and your job, and that opens up the door for entrepreneurship. That opens up the door for marriage. That opens up the door for kids, and the list goes on. But everything is in the now.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. We continue to the next question in the next video, so be sure to head over there to continue watching for the next question. We are also giving away a free PDF guide to the practice of spiritual scripting. It explains everything, so check out the description down below for a link to download. It's awesome. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, of course, please, and leave a happy comment. And I'd love to answer your questions if you have any questions about scripting, so just leave a question in the comments or just leave me a hell yes if you like this video. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.